In the land where the sun rises bold and bright, Biafra dreams beneath the palm-fringed night. From rivers deep and forests evergreen, a people's spirit resilient, unseen. We remember the fallen, the heroes untold, who stood against storms in the days of old. Through famine and fire, blockade and pain, their blood watered the soil, their cries in the rain. Oh, rising sun with red, black and green, half yellow dawn where hope is seen. Your flag waves eternal in hearts afar, a symbol of struggle, a guiding star. The children starved, the innocent slain, yet from those ashes resolve remains. Able voices across the sea, calling for justice, for liberty free. We stand in solidarity, hand in hand, across the oceans, across the land, for self-determination, for dignity's call. The dream of Biafra shall never fall. In protest bold, in remembrance deep, the world awakens from silence and sleep.